Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make barbecue tandoori chicken. For this recipe you would need 2.5 to 3 pounds of boneless thigh meat or chicken breast, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. In a bowl, add yogurt, oil, lemon juice, and all spices. Mix well. Add the mixture into the chicken and mix well. Then cover and leave in the fridge overnight or for a few hours. Grill until both sides are cooked or bake on 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.